Welcome to Dataverse Ocean. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about Snowpipe. So first learn overview of Snowpipe, how to work Snowpipe. When we put a file into Azure container, this will trigger event notification, and this event notification is stored in queues. This is the type of storage which store queues or message, and this message is consumed by notification integration which is created in Snowflake. This is the object of Snowflake, and this notification integration trigger a Snowpipe which execute copy command and which load data from this container into table. So this is the process of Snowpipe. So now let's learn process of creating Snowpipe. First of all, we have to create a storage integration. This is the object of Snowflake which create connection detail of container. Then we need to create a stage using this storage integration. Then we need to create queues and notification which is created in Azure portal, this to trigger Snowpipe, and this then we need to create notification integration which consume this notification, and this notification trigger Snowpipe to load data from container into table. So this is the process of creating a Snowpipe. So before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to motivate me. So now let's get start how to create a Snowpipe. To create a Snowpipe, we need a stage and storage integration, and a stage is created on top of storage accounts. So we need first to create a storage account, and I am in the home page of Azure portal, and so let's create a storage account first. You can create by clicking here storage account, or if you not see here, then search here storage account. You can see here storage account. Click here to create a storage account. Click this plus icon to create new storage account. You can see here all list of storage account. We want to create new one, so I am clicking here to create new one storage account. Choose your appropriate subscription. If you have pay you go, you can choose, and if you have free trial, you can choose free trial subscription. In my case, I am choosing free trial subscription, only one. I am creating new resource group. Give name RG for resource group Snowpipe. Always give meaningful name, and storage account name. This should be unique across Azure portal, and it's accept only lowercase and 3 to 24 character, and combination of lowercase and numbers. So type here storage. It's already taken Snowpipe. I think this is accepted. Storage Snowpipe. This is accepted. Performance I am choosing standard, and redundancy I am choosing locally redundant for this demonstration because this is cheapest option, and I am choosing other thing is by default. So just click here preview and create. Validation in progress. Click here to create. Initializing deployment, submitting deployment in progress. So it's take few seconds, just wait. Deployment is succeed and this storage account is completed. Now go to resource, and this is the overview page of storage account. Now go to container to create container, to upload file here. Click here this plus icon to create a new container, giving name here order CSV. Click here to create container. Container created. Now load file to this container. I am loading one file, browsing file from local. So I am loading this order Azure dataset to this container for demonstration. Click upload, one file loaded. Now go to Snowflake to configure storage integration. So I am using MyDB. Execute this, and to create a storage integration, right here create or replace storage integration, and this is my storage integration name, and type is external stage of course, and storage provider which is Azure, and enable this is true, and Azure tenant ID, we need tenant ID. So again go to Azure portal and go to home page, click here menu, go to Microsoft Enter ID, or you can search here Microsoft Enter ID. So I am clicking here Microsoft Enter ID, and you can see here tenant ID. So click here to copy and go to Snowflake and paste here. Okay, this is my Azure tenant ID which is required for storage integration and also required storage allow location. So again go to Azure portal and go to home page and go to storage account, or you can click here resource, go to home page and storage account, and just we create here storage Snowpipe storage account. In my case collapse this, go to container, click here, this is a container we created just before, go to properties and copy this URL, copy and paste here. After azure.sh we do not need HTTPS. Okay, so I'm removing this. Now control enter to execute this statement. This storage integration created successfully. Now just describe this to give consent. So you can see here Azure consent URL. Click here. You can, after clicking, you give consent. In my case not showing any consent pop-up because I already give before consent. If you in your case showing any pop-up window, just click this consent and accept this consent, or you can just go to again Snowflake and you can copy from here and go to new window and paste here, and you can give here consent. So I give this consent to access this by Azure portal. So now go to again Snowflake and you can see here Azure multi-tenant app name. So copy this app name before number up to here, and again go to Azure portal to give access. I close this, and this is the Azure portal, and go to storage account. This is a storage account we create just before, and go to here access control to give access this container to Snowflake. Now add role assignment. Search here storage blob data contributor, or you can choose this contributor, or you can just choose storage blob data reader. This is the sufficient for our storage account, but I am choosing storage blob data contributor. So click here and click here next. Now choose select member, and here you go to again and you can paste this. I already copy, but I again show you. Copy this and paste here to search member. Click here and select this. You can see here name and object ID to give consent. So review and assign, adding role assignment. Now added to role assignment with container. Now again go to Snowflake, and now I am creating file format. Creating file format type is CSV and field denominator comma and skip header 1. So we do not need any header, and now just create a stage object. Here I am creating create or replace stage. I am giving name AZ stage. AZ means Azure, and here storage integration, just we create here storage integration name. This is so I mean using same storage integration name, and this URL path you can copy again from here and paste here after forward slash in single quote, and file format I am using this file format Snowpipe. So execute this statement. Invalid location format, this one. Now execute again. Stage is created. Now let's access file available in this stage. So yeah, we successfully access external stage file. We create a stage successfully and we retrieve file from this stage. Now we need to create notification integration in Snowflake. So to create notification integration, we need to create queue and event notification in Azure portal. Queue is the storage account where store event notifications. Let us create queue object in Azure portal. Let's go to Azure portal again, and in storage account pipeline and in section data storage, let's create queue first. So click here to create queue where event notification store. So name it Snowpipe queue. Click OK. It's created in few seconds. Now queue is created successfully. Now I am going to create event notification. To get event notification, here let's create event subscription. Click here to create. Type here name Snowpipe notification. I am giving name this, and copy this, and topic is a storage account, and system topic name I am giving same name Snowpipe notification, which I give here. Okay, and filter to event type I am selecting only create notification. So no need to select here blob deleted. We do not need to notify any deleted object. So only I need to created object. So only selecting blob created, and for endpoint of course we need to create storage queue. Okay, and manage integration. This is I'll leave it as none and create here. Also we need to configure endpoint. So click here, and storage account is storage Snowpipe, and this is my Snowpipe queue. So select this and select here, and try to create this event notification. We see here the unregistered state, which is Microsoft event grid. So first we need to register this event grid. So go to here. I am duplicating this. So duplicate this. Opening Azure portal. Go to home and search here subscription. Click on subscription and click here. Go to my resource provider, and you can search here event grid. Select here and registered. Microsoft event, how we need to select this event grid. So registered again. By mistake selecting this event hub, it's take a few minutes to register. Click on this and deregister event hub. By mistake we registered this. So event grid register successfully. Now go again here, create event notification, which I created, and get here. Now again subscription I am selecting free trial, and resource group is RG Snowpipe resource group and Snowpipe notification. Okay, so now try to create again. This notification created successfully. Now go to queue and copy this URL and go to Snowflake and paste here your URL. Tenant ID which see previously, copy from here and paste here and try to create notification integration object. Let's execute this statement. Integration Snowpipe event created successfully. Now describe this. Again we need to give consent to this URL. So click on this URL and click this checkbox to grant permission for this app. Also copy this app name, accept this, accepted successfully. Go to again here and you can see here app name, or we already copy here. So copy this one and you can copy from here as well, and again go to close this window, again go to Azure portal and in a storage account go to access control and add role assignment, refreshing here and choose here a storage queue. We need to select only a storage queue data contributor. Here storage queue data reader is not work, so select this one and next, and select this member to add app. Here we paste here and searching and select this one and select here. This is selected. Now click here review and assign. So assign this rule, adding rule to this Azure. This rule assigned successfully. Okay. Now go to here. We create successfully a Snowpipe event. Now we need to create a Snowpipe. Till now we set up a stage, storage integration and notification integration. We have all things to set up a Snowpipe. So now let's query from this stage. So let's execute to test we are querying from a stage or not. So let's execute. We are able to query from AZ stage which are created on the top of Azure storage container. Now let's create destination table to load data. Here is table created. Let's validate first. There is nothing in this table, so I want to first copy into this table from this stage. So let's copy. We are able to copy 20 row pass and 20 row loaded, and let's validate again. We are able to load data from this stage. Again truncating this table. Now I am going to create a Snowpipe to load data automatically. So here I am create pipe and write here pipe name auto ingest true and integration Snowpipe event which I create here, a Snowpipe event. Okay, and we place here name integration Snowpipe event and as copy into this table which I create here destination table, and from this AZ stage which I create here this stage. So now let's execute this statement to create a Snowpipe. A Snowpipe is created, and then let's validate any data have or not. Here there is nothing data, and now I am going to Azure portal and go to here storage account and go to container and go to this container, and I want to load some file. So for example here Azure dataset 1 to ingest data into table. So here successfully loaded, and if we go here and click here, you can see here notification is consumed, and go to Snowflake and execute this statement. Still this table is empty. After a few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, let's check. Yeah, you can see here data is loaded automatically after few seconds. So you can check Snowpipe status by here. Click here and this is running. If you get any error, then you can see here. So here data loaded automatically. Now here is 20 10 records because in this file only 10 records. Now again load some more data. Go to storage account, go to container, and again go to here, and I am loading some more file. Browse, and I want to load, I want to use all these three file. File already exists, so I want to overwrite. Okay, so upload, loaded, and now go to here, and here is 10 record, and again execute this. Again here is 10 record. After few second, 10 record. Here is showing only 10 record. Still showing 10 record. You see here 54 record now. Okay, so it's loaded successfully. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to motivate me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.